Hi. So in this video, we are going to be talking about the concept of the break and the continue, all right, in loops. Okay, so let me run this code. Okay, so this is a code that has a loop, okay, and that loop runs for 10 iterations. So in this case, I'm just printing out the value of I. So it goes from 0 to 9, so 10 iterations. All right. Now, in some cases, when you are having a loop that runs for multiple times, all right, and for specific iteration values, you may want to do something different. All right. So in this case, for all 10 iterations, I want to print out this statement. But what if when I is, let's say, 5 or 6, I do not want to print this statement? Okay, so what I can do is I can have a check here that says if I equal to, let's say, 6. All right, then what I can do is I can put this statement called continue. Now, what does continue mean? Continue basically means that I will skip the rest of the for loop body and go straight to the end of the for loop and start the next iteration. So no matter how many statements that I have after continue, all right, I will skip all these statements, go to the end of the for loop and start the next iteration. Okay, so now if I run the code, okay, you can see that when I equals to 6, it is not printed out because I have skipped the statement, all right, the code that comes after continue, and I have gone and started the next iteration. All right, so I go and start the iteration where I is 7. All right, so that is one way in which I can skip the body of the loop, all right, or some part of the body of the loop, okay, for specific iterations. All right, now at the same time, there is another way you can alter the behavior, which is called break. And what break does is it completely ends the loop. Okay, so if I have a condition, all right, that is satisfied and I execute the break, I will totally stop executing the loop after that and continue after the loop. So in this case, I just end the program. Okay, so let me run it over here. So you can see that when I equal to 6, I break. Okay, so I come to the end closing curly braces of the for loop and I just proceed after the loop. I do not go back and start the next iteration. All right, so that is the way in which we can implement the continue and the break statement in a for loop. All right, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.